In our tournament management system, if you have administrator access when logging in, you will be able to use our dashboard. From here, you will have access to championship management, match management, content control, and user configuration. Within the first set of options, you will be able to create championships. Here, you can set up your tournaments by adding the championship name, a description, start and end dates, selecting the tournament format, the game format, the number of teams per group, and the status, whether it is planned or active. Once created, the championship will appear in the next dashboard option, which is View Championships. Here, you will be able to see all created championships. By selecting one, you can access its details, including groups, standings table, and options to view, create, or edit match days, as well as publications. For this example, we will create a new match day. To do this, you need to provide information such as the match day number, date, status, type of match day, number of fields, if more than one is available, match duration, break time between matches, start time, and end time of availability. Once the match day is created, you can begin generating matches for that match day. In this example, we will create a match in match day 4. You will need to select the teams that will face each other, the date and time of the match, and the field or pitch where it will take place. To avoid duplicate matches, the system will automatically detect if the teams have already played against each other in that phase. Otherwise, the match will be created successfully. Once created, you will be able to access its details. Here you will find the referee report, cards, and goals of the match. To register cards, you must select the team and the sanctioned player, apply the card, indicate the minute, and optionally assign a fee if necessary. You can also add a brief description of the reason for the sanction. Once a card is registered, it will be added to the match details and to the team's debt. You can also register goals. Once recorded, they will be reflected in both the match details and overall statistics. To do so, select the team and player, the minute of the goal, and the type of goal. Finally, for the referee report, you can enter the referee's name, arbitration payments for each team, and any additional observations if needed. With this, you can save and finalize the report, which will conclude the match. Once finalized, the system will update records in real time, including standings and statistics. You will also be able to view all publications related to the championship. Additionally, championships are categorized by status to make them easier to find. Using another dashboard feature, you can create groups for championships if necessary. You simply select the championship and enter the group name. From the dashboard, you can also manage matches and control all published content related to championships. The idea is that all rules, sanctions, results, and announcements are published from here. You can create posts by selecting their type, the championship they belong to, title, description, images if needed, and publication status. You can also upload photos to a championship gallery by selecting the championship, adding the image, description, and defining its order within the gallery. Additionally, you can create regulations so users can take them into account. Within the dashboard, you will also find the user management section, where you can grant access using an email and password for captains, administrators, or public users. Here, you will add the user's email, password, first name, last name, phone number, and assign their role. If the user is a captain, they must be registered in the championship by adding a registration number and the amount paid by their team. Once saved, they will be able to log in as captains and manage players, lineups, and more. Finally, Another dashboard feature allows you to manage finances. Here, you can view general or detailed financial information for teams, including debts from cards or penalties, total referee payments, registration fees, and any outstanding balances.